Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Dange and today's topic is the digestive system and its illness. What is digestive system? Is the network of organs that help you to digest and absorb the nutrients from your food. It is used for breakdown of a food into the nutrients, which then passes into the circulatory system and are taken where body needed. Function: breakdown of a food into the nutrient molecules, absorb the molecules into the bloodstream, rid the body of indigestible remain. There are the four stages of a food processing: digestion, absorption, digestion, and ingestion. What do you think? Why digestion is important? Digestion is important because your body needs nutrients from the food you eat and liquid you drink is order to stay healthy and function properly. Organs involved in the digestion system: mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Mouth: teeth mechanically break down food into the small pieces. Tongue: mixed food with saliva, which contain the amylase which help in breakdown of a starch. Epiglottis is flat-like structure at the back of the throat that close over trachea, preventing food from entering it. Stomach has floats and is a big muscular pouch which turns the balls and mix it with the gastric juice. A mixture of a stomach acid, mucus and enzymes. The acid kills off any invading bacteria or the viruses. The enzyme help break down proteins and lipids. The mucus protect the lining of the stomach from being eaten away by the acid. Small intestine. Small intestine is known into the small intestine. 90% of absorption occurs here. The liver and pancreatic helps the small intestine to maximize absorption. The small intestine broken into the three part: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Large intestine is used to absorb the water from the waste material left over and to protect the to produce the vitamin K and some vitamin B using the helpful bacteria that lives here. Rectum: all leftover waste is compacted and stored at the end of the large intestine called rectum. Digestive illness. Irritable bowel syndrome is a group of symptoms that occurs together, including repeated pain into your abdomen and change your bowel movement, which may be diarrhea. Crohn's disease is a chronic or the long-lasting disease that causes inflammation and irritation into the digestive tract. Gas. The gas inside the digestive tract is made up of air and other gases. Gas typically leaves your digestional tract through your mouth and through anus. Diarrhea is a loose watery stool 3 or more times in a day. It may be acute or chronic. Acid reflux into the GER and GERD. GER means gastroesophageal reflux happens when your stomach content come back up into the esophagus. GERD is the reflux disease is more severe and long-lasting condition in which GER causes repeated symptoms or lead. This all about the digestive system and its illness. Thank you.